Hey there, greetings from Climax Andrology in Istanbul, Turkey. We offer a variety of male-specific procedures, including penile enlargement, penile implants, and more. We understand that taking the first step can feel challenging. It's completely normal to feel unsure about where to start. That's why we're here to make everything easy. We handle all arrangements, including airport transfers, local transports, procedure arrangements, follow-up appointments, and more. You'll find our friendly team ready to provide all the information you need. We can answer all your questions before you proceed without any obligation. Reaching out to us is easy. You can call, email, message us on WhatsApp, or fill out a contact form on our website. Just pick what's easiest for you. So, take that first step today. We're here for you and can't wait to talk to you soon. Maybe today is the day.